around here, welcome. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and I upload once a week, and I do monthly vlogs. I hope you enjoy watching and will consider subscribing. Today I have an unboxing, and it is of a new planner cover, and it's from Coach. You guys, I have been eyeing this for some time, but it's always either sold out or I don't know, I cannot find it. This time around I found it and I knew I had to get it. So let's take a look, shall we? This is the very first time I actually open it up. Oh my gosh, you guys, I kind of bought this blind folded because I had no idea if it was going to fit my passion planner. But you guys, I absolutely love this. Right off the bat, I love the chocolate color on the outside. It's really simple, which is what I really wanted. I wanted something simple. Lately I've been really into the more simple planning. On the inside, it is the same brown color, really simple again, and it brings a notebook, which I can really use. Really simple. I'm gonna try out my passion planner. All right, so in here I have the planner that I bought recently. This is a daily planner. I really like my passion weekly, but I also wanted a daily, so let's try to fit it in here. It fits, you guys, a little bit squished up, but it's okay because the planner that I want here is my weekly planner, because this daily one is gonna be staying at home. I absolutely love it, you guys. I'm gonna be putting a link. I actually bought it on the outlet website, so it was like $49. Hopefully you guys can find it at the same price, but it's so pretty. I love. Also, I need to get the hang of it. There you go. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you all for watching. You guys, I absolutely love. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.